Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. No matter where you're coming from, hope you all are doing well. You're pumped, I'm pumped. We're going for gold, folks. Let's go. Exactly. I'm waiting for the drop. It's keeping me going. It's giving me life. I love it. All right, everybody. Welcome back. Hope y'all are doing well. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Although I have been seeing quite a few of you at stand-up. Just a gentle shout out for stand-up. If you want daily practice on your data structures and algorithms, you should join us. We've been going wild with the hash maps. This music is amazing. Hey, this is us breaking world records music tonight, folks. That's what this is all about. We got the timer on the board here. This is the time we gotta beat. We got 30 companies to add to a hit list tonight for Brian. We said we get him 60 in a week, we're 30 away. Indifferent. Hey, thank you for the 10 gifted subs. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for all the help you've been helping us with recently, getting all the projects off the ground and all that. Really appreciate it. We had some other folks in here too. Sydney with the 1 month. Hey, I appreciate that. Thank you for being here. Sweet Scorpio with the 8 months. Let's go. I appreciate y'all. We had a lot of folks in here early today too. Lots of follows over the in between. Murgia 93. Thank you for the prime yesterday. And Zaboy, I hope I didn't miss that last time. Or Zabby, sorry. There we go. Alrighty, folks. Present hit list and holding tonight. Let's go. Oh, Rossi, thank you for the bits. Alrighty, folks. Big night. We are going to run it back. We got 30 companies to add. We're going all remote. Right? Going all remote. So only remote companies I'm adding. So that means no matter where you are, you could be adding these companies, right? Or following the process similar to what I'm doing to add these companies. We are going to talk a little bit about Thursday before we get started, right? And I hope that you take tonight to really make some progress, to let the tunes take over, right? To let the music wash over you, to give you energy as you add these companies to your hit list. You've already built projects. You've already done the learning. You've done the studying. Now it's time to do the hit list. This is the thing standing between you and getting an offer. I've brought folks after folks, people after person to come talk to you and tell you what their interview process was actually like. You have the skills to pass the interviews that they passed. Some of them did not even have technical interviews. If you're wasting your time bleeding your eyes out on leak code, you're doing it wrong. Come build a hit list, add these companies, add warm leads, get your application in front of a real human being That's the difference maker. You have all these folks that are just clicking apply. Their resumes are getting printed out and thrown in the trash can and lit on fire. Add these companies to your hit list, reach out to a real human being, get a chance to talk to someone so that your wonderful self can shine through. Now, we got a lot to go. I'm locking in. I'm seeing chat now. What up, Fox? What up, War? What up, Tack? What's going on, everybody? OCC in the house. All right. Was tonight about starting a blog? We're moving the blog class to Tuesday, because here's what we're gonna do. If you haven't heard yet, Thursday we have a $5,000 Uno tournament. 5K on the line. To enter that tournament, all you have to do is type in !##node. There's two links. One is make sure you create an account with our link. That way you get some extra goodies that you normally wouldn't get. And then make sure you fill out that form. On Thursday, we're going to hold the tournament, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can get started blogging by using the #node account that you just created. On Tuesday, we're going to have a class all about how to start your blog, how to pick the first 2 blog posts that you write. And we're going to go for about 2 hours, leaving an extra hour for you to actually write your first post. And then whoever fills out their posts, like whoever gets their first post going, like takes that step to standing out against the crowd when it comes time to applying, getting that first post on their blog, they're going into a special raffle for something beautiful. I will share what that prize is when we make the halfway point tonight. So tonight we're locking in. Thursday we have an amazing $5,000 Uno tournament. Tuesday is a sponsored class where we're going to have prizes galore, raffle. You know how we always do for our sponsored class. We're giving away more laptops, all that fun stuff. Shells, how'd you know? Get out of here. Shells knew. They were up in my Google Docs somehow. Well, the secret's out, but that's what's happening, folks. Oh, baby. Fox, hey, thank you for the hydration. Cheers to you. I need it. Winter, hey, thank you for the gifted sub. I appreciate that. OCC, thank you for the 200 bits. I appreciate that. All right. Yo, I need a new one. Hey, get that blog post going. Be a brand new winner. All right. Tonight, folks, I've done my stretching. I've put on my comfy pants. I put on my comfy shirt. You know, my Hufflepuff shirt is my comfy shirt. I'm ready to go. I got some stretching in. I took a quick cold shower to get the heart rate going, to get pumped. Right? So I'm comfy, I'm pumped, I'm ready to go. I'm breaking the world record tonight, folks. You see the world record here on the screen. We're crushing that tonight, destroying it. We will be the world record holder, back-to-back 2-time champion. I'm going for tonight, folks. So here's the record we got to beat to get 30 companies on the board. I feel like we can do it. Whose record is that? That's my record. You're looking at the world champion right now. I'm going back-to-back, gonna break it again. That's what we're doing tonight. We're gonna have 30 more leads. Let's go. Indeed, OCC. That's what tonight's about. Tonight is about locking in, getting 30 companies on your hit list that are warm leads, not some random person clicking apply going nowhere. We're gonna find real human beings that we can talk to, that we can send a message to. If you want to see the messages that I would send, I'm typing them all out live for you. Does drinking Guinness count? Hey, I'll take it. Who we getting leads for? So Brian won the raffle, and the raffle was for 60 leads. We got them 30 last time. We're getting 30 more this time, and we're gonna do it within our time. I'm feeling good tonight. I'm feeling good tonight. I feel like I learned my lesson from last stream. and I really feel like we can do it. So I'm cleaning my glasses, gonna lock in. Appreciate y'all being here tonight. One quick favor to ask. If you haven't checked in yet, please do !check in and check in. I would really appreciate a like and a retweet on that tweet, just to let folks know about the tournament on Thursday. I'm super pumped about the tournament. As you know, we're being sponsored by Hashnode. I want the world to know more about our sponsor. This is the most special sponsor we could ever have, because 100 Dev's very own is the one that got us this sponsorship deal. Sam, thank you so much. So I would appreciate, if you haven't checked in yet, just give it a like, give it a retweet. Let's spread Hashnode so they can come back and sponsor our community. I really appreciate it. All right. Hey, Sam in the house. Let's go, Sam. Thanks for stopping by. All right. If you haven't already, one last plug before we lock in here. You're going to want to do !sheet. Do !sheet. What that's going to do is it's going to give you access to where you can put all of these leads. If you're new around here, what we're doing is we're trying to find warm leads in the companies that are actively hiring. That's what we're doing tonight. We added 30 last time, we're adding 30 more this time. And if you haven't already signed up to join us on Thursday, you're missing out. $5,000 on the line. An Uno tournament sponsored by Hashnode. Brought to us by 100 Dev's very own Sam. You can't get any better than this, folks. All right. Oh, should we get a quick stretch in real quick? Quick stretch. OnlyFans changing the game in October. Y'all better get those channel points quick, because these photos might disappear forever. But until you have the OnlyFans, I'm gonna get that stretch in real quick. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. We need some YOLOs. Oh, we're gonna get some YOLOs. Let's do a YOLO every 10 leads. We do a YOLO. Every 10 we do a YOLO. Come on, I'm feeling good. You loose? You ready, folks? Should we set the timer? I think we should set the timer. Here's the world record. 95, 48, 29. We're gonna destroy that this evening, folks. Destroy it. Let me show you my setup real quick. Let me show you my setup. Yeah, no, we don't have links in here, but I appreciate if you share them on our Discord for sure. All right. All right, let me show you my setup. I learned some things from last time. Here's my setup. As you can see, I've gone through and I've put the job, the connect, and the message. I have a nice place to plop all that in already. We filled out all 30. No more stopping the count, right? No more stopping the count. We're not counting anymore. I've labeled them all. I've put in the actual link to the job, like the person that you're connecting with. The message is all here, right? We're ready to go. I'm not slowing down the count. I'm not guessing where to put it. We're all good. Got that lined up. I'm signed into everything. I'm feeling good. I got my water. Can't stop, won't stop, indeed, cross. What I would invite you all to do is to do two things. !Hashnode if you haven't already. $5,000 Uno tournament on Thursday. Don't miss out. And then if you're ready, folks, let's log in. Let's lock in. Let's get this done. 30 leads. We're breaking the world record tonight, folks. Y'all hyped? You ready? All right. Stretch. Feeling good. Brian said, I'm ready to watch. This is their hit list. All right. I invite you to come on this journey to be a winner, to do the thing that's going to help you get a job. I brought folks after folks to tell you that leak code is not the way. This is the way. Find those warm leads, lock in, get this done. Turn up the music. Let's go. Setting the timer. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, timer is going. I'm gonna move this over to a safe spot over here. I can see it. All right, let's go. We're going only remote today. So we have remote only. We have our kind of requirements that we found out last time, just so we can see all the filters. We're going for JavaScript first, 0 to 3 years of experience, full time. We're looking for those like medium-sized companies. Maybe we'll throw in the 500 to 1,000 just for a few extra results. That's where let's see what it looks like. Yeah, we're good. So we're kind of, it doesn't really add too much. If we do the 1 to 10, that does too many. So we're gonna take those off the table for right now. We're doing the 11 to 5,000. That's kind of our little niche right now. If we need to, we'll come back. We'll remove all these and do the 1 to 10. All right, let's view our results. And we're going to move in here. We're ready. Let's go, baby. All right, we're not looking for senior. Front end, we already did Flower Co. OutSchool, where kids love learning. We're moving through the ones that we've seen already. Kevel, software engineer. Looks like a good one. Let's go through Kevel. Maggie is the employee that we need to reach out to. Maggie has a LinkedIn. Do they have an open contact? They do have messages that are open. Ooh, we're off to a good start. Maggie's going on our list here. The connect is Maggie with open messages. The job is the Kevel link. We got it. Come on, folks. We're starting off with a dub here. Boom. All right, and let's see if we can find anything about Maggie. Passionate, having resource building growth, start strategic level thinking, execution, and full experience. They're still there, which is good. All right, degree in psychology. All right, looks like they are, messages are open though. They are the person to contact, so we can use our Angel List opener. We were finding them on Angel List. All right, there we go. We're gonna take that opener here. We're gonna say, hey, and it was Maggie. And I was looking on AngelList for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. What's Kevel do? Better place. Building custom ad serving solutions. They do like ads. They do ads. All right. Can we find anything more about this company? They don't have a website listed. Come on, Kevel, give me something. All right, here we go. Kevel Co. Build a customer ad server and a custom ad server in just weeks. Brands to monetize their sites and ads with user-first native ads, sponsored listings, and more. All right, here we go. I like it that they're building custom ad servers. We can use that on our hit list. Hey Maggie, I was looking on AngelList for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. I've struggled in the past to get value out of running ads on major platforms like Google AdSense. I love what Kevel is doing, and I would love 5 minutes of your time. And I love 5 minutes. I love what Kevel is doing, and I would love 5 minutes of your time to learn more about We don't want to go straight for the job. I would say, hey Meg, I was looking on AngelList for any remote company that came across your profile. So I'm past to get value of running ads on major platforms like Google AdSense. I love what Kevin is doing. I love 5 minutes of your time to learn more. To learn more about what y'all are working on. What I'll learn more about learn more about what y'all are working on next. I like next. There we go. We're going to use the move mountains line. If you ever have any open time, please let me know. I'll move mountains to make it work. We're going to go with that. We're going to bring that back down here. Boom. All right. So, hey Maggie, I was looking on AngelList for exciting remote companies that came across your profile. I've struggled in the past to get value out of running ads on major platforms like Google AdSense. I love what Kevin is doing, and I would love 5 minutes of your time to learn more about what y'all are working on next. If you ever have any open time, please let me know. I'll move mountains to make it work. Thanks. Boom. First one done. Let's go. Easy one. All right. Hey, what are we doing right now? Right now, we are showing you all how to apply the right way. Clicking apply doesn't work. We're adding companies, what we call our hit list, so that we can actually talk to a real living, breathing human being at these companies. All right, come on. Kevin was an easy dub. Let's see if we can keep that going. Phil, digital therapy development software engineer. I love that. All right. Let's get used to doing maybe this. While it's loading, I'm going to clean. That's what we haven't done in the past. All right. Front end. They don't have someone listed. Hiring contact. All right. Well, I'm loving that they have the hiring contacts. I always like to go Twitter first. Open DMs. Oh, we are on fire tonight. All right. So let's go ahead and add the job. Here's the job. Let's go on our hit list. Boom. The contact is the open Twitter DMs. I love it. Man, our first to 10 is going to be easy if it keeps going like this, folks. Dad and co-founder, head of engineering at Phil. Oh, they're also the head of engineering. That's great. Next gen patient access platform, building tech for healthcare. Let's look at Phil. Modern access solutions for better outcomes. Cool. Oh, they just raised a bunch of money too. Cool. All right, I like this. We can use this. We're sliding into Phil's DMs. Is there anything else? They have the hiring hashtag. This was another strategy that we talked about last time, where we can look for people that had said like currently hiring, things like that. Any front-end engineers who love JavaScript but are also interested in rewriting web applications using Elixir and Phoenix, looking for a job, DM me. Hell yeah. Look, they're even telling us to DM them. All right, we're just gonna grab this. Boom. Easy. Boom. All right. What was their name is Puron, so let's go ahead and say that. Easy message here. Easy. All right. Hey Puron. Boom. Let's go back. Let's make sure it's in the actual. Hey Puron. I love JavaScript and hate modern access systems for better outcomes. Therapy development platform for a specialty pharmaceutical, consistent, reliable, affordable access to complex therapeutics for our patient community. Reliable, affordable access to complex therapeutics for our patient company. We're just going to take that. Boom, that's ours now. We're going to throw that in here. Hey Puron, I love JavaScript and hate how unreliable and unaffordable access to therapeutics can be for some folks. Can be for some folks. I saw your tweet. And I am definitely interested in rewriting web application in Elixir and Phoenix. I would love 5 minutes of your time to learn more about what you're working on. Or we're just gonna say what you're learn more about Phil. I would love 5 minutes of your time to learn more about Phil. What's the name of the company? Not like a person. Phil. I'm gonna do exclamation point. If you ever have any open time, please let me know. I'll move mountains. Boom. Easy. Next. We don't know. It doesn't matter. They said that we like JavaScript. We're excited to learn about Elixir and Phoenix. It's also pretty new. I don't know if I don't know if they're gonna find a lot of folks. I mean, it's pretty popular, but we're gonna take our shot. We love JavaScript and we're interested in it. They're probably looking for folks that don't mind picking it up. I know Philly's my cousin. All right, next. Come on, we're locked in, folks. This is a speed run. We're not gonna get caught up in if it's the perfect role or opportunity. We're here to crush the game. Software engineer Maximus. All right. Doubles your testosterone. That's what we need tonight. I would love to be able to double my testosterone right now. They have a contact. Well, this is the first one without a contact. Operations manager, senior software engineer. Come on, Filimov. Open DMs, baby. No open DMs. That's okay. I'll take open Instagram. Let me start open LinkedIn. No. Links back to their Twitter. How about, do you have an email on your GitHub or a portfolio? Boom, there's our email. I love it. Copy email address. Let's grab the job. I messed up by not opening it in a new tab. There we go. Why is the job not coming up? Software engineer. Here we go. Boom. Got it. Number 3. All right, we're gonna do our message here. Let's see if we can find anything about Sergey. Full stack engineer. They were at Pivotal Labs, which is pretty cool. About their website. Currency. They're kind of deep in the Rails world. Recent books they've liked: Masters of Doom, PS4 Pop Culture, Theory Practice. When is this posted? Does it say how often it's updated? Oh, this is relatively new. Masters of Doom. We're gonna read Masters of Doom before we talk to them, and we're gonna say we loved it. That's gonna be our email subject. No, we're emailing them, so loved Masters of Doom 2. All right, and then we're gonna do our normal kind of intro. Boom. And we know that their name is Sergey. Boom. Yo, we're gonna hit 5 in record speed here. Hey Sergey, I was looking at AngelList for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. What do they do? I struggled with my testosterone levels. I'm really improvement in the self-help improvement space, maybe. Yeah. Maybe we'll say like quantified self. Yeah, quantified self. Quantified self is like when you like measure everything about yourself. Or no, telemedicine. Yeah, I will say quantified self and telemedicine. Because we can say telemedicine because of the pandemic. Okay, my question profile. super interested. I'm an engineer, super interested in the quantified self and telemedicine space after needing remote visits with my doc during the pandemic. Cool. Hey, Sergey, I was looking on AngelList for exciting remote company can refresh profile. I'm an engineer super interested in telemedicine space after needing remote visits with my doc during the pandemic. We're just gonna grab this. Boom. Love what was the name of the company? Maximus Tribe is doing. I love 5 minutes of your time to learn what you're all working on next. If you're open time, please let me know. I'm gonna go back to the I would love 5 minutes of your time to learn more about your career and how you wound up in this space. Yeah, that way it's more focused back on Sergey. Hey Sergey, I was looking for on AngelList for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. I'm an engineer super interested in telemedicine space with needing remote visits with my doctor of the pandemic. I would love 5 minutes of your time to learn more about your career and how you wound up in this space. If you ever have any open time, please let me know. I'll move mountains, make it work. Boom. Next. Memphis, cheers to you. Thank you for the hydration. I actually read parts of that book. Absolutely. Definitely make sure you read it. I'll clean your kitchen. Hey, there you go, Pi. Oh no, mouse nibbles. No, keep going, keep going. That's wild. All right, number 4. Let's do this. Vertica software engineer. Love it. Vertically integrate student to operator trade school. I think we did this one already. We already looked at Nana Riboff. NOPSEC cloud-based virtuality remote. Sure. Open a new tab. While that's open, we're going to clean up. Cool. They have anybody listed? They do have people. They have a hiring contact too. Let's take a look at this hiring contact. Nothing on their profile. Do they have anybody else? We don't have any other people. Oh, dead end. People. Oh, yeah, they do have other people. Okay, cool. CTO. They're small enough to where CTO could be a... All right, Twitter, come on. Open messages. No. Nope. Nope. How about LinkedIn? Do you have something open? No. I want to see the person though. 31 employees. CEO. Engineering lead. More contact info. No. Anything else in here that could get us there? Nope. All right, I'm not feeling this one at all. Let's keep pushing. It doesn't seem like they have a lot of open channels here. We could go back to the about the founder. Let's see. Lisa. Oh, they worked at Accenture too. No other openings though. I don't like that none of the stuff is open or easy to get to, so we're gonna move on. That could be one, but I'm getting a weird feeling. I'm gonna keep moving. React front end AI for the home. All right. Here's the role. They have, oh, a nice hiring contact. Give me the hiring contact, please. There's Kelly, nothing here though. So let's go back and see if they have other people listed. Come on, give me people. CEO, CTO, anybody else? Software developer that was hired. Come on. Open DMs? No open DMs. They do have a website that didn't work. Oh, I felt good about this one too. Maybe open LinkedIn? No. Twitter. Was it a different website? No, the website's down. Okay, let's try one other person here. I like Josh AI. I'm going to put him on the list because I feel like we can definitely find a way in. They got enough people listed on here that we'll find somebody. Software engineer, Jonathan, how you doing? Nothing. Principal designer, head of business development, head of product. Cool. You have open messages? No. Do you have a contact way we can get in? No. Do you have an email? No. Go back. I like Josh AI though. I think this is pretty interesting. Is there anybody else here that we could reach out to? Technical support analyst. I did like Dylan though. Senior front engineer, especially impressed with web apps and React JS with all stages of the development cycle. I like that. I like them. Can we get their email? Maybe this will be our first email that we'll try and get through. Oh, let's check their GitHub. Maybe there's an email in GitHub. Boom, there's their email. Love it. Copy. I did want to reach out to them. Are you locked in here? Is that Brian's in here? They helped me out. They already had the email listed for me. Let's go. I don't know if this will count for the full world record now. All right, let's see if we can find anything about them. Let's go to their Twitter. Developer, feminist, francophile, pina colada enthusiast. Boom, there we go. That's our message. Subject. Hey, princess, good to have you. Fellow. You know what? I need to do it. I just need to go ahead and make sure that I'm Brian. I'm gonna ask you to not do any edits to the sheet tonight. I'm going for the world record here. I got to do it fair. You can put your own notes and stuff, but let me put I'm gonna do it right. Deleting it. I'm putting my version in here that I got. Gotta keep it above the world, above the board, you know? If you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain. There you go. I corrected it, folks. This is totally a fair run. Do you actually apply to all the jobs in the hit list you're making? Absolutely, Panda. This is the whole point, right? This isn't mine though. This is Brian. They won a contest and I'm building out their list for them live as part of the speed run. This is my life, y'all. Exactly. This is theirs. Cool. All right, let's keep pushing. Hopefully you're enjoying the music and doing this along with us. Fellow pina colada enthusiasts. We're just gonna kind of copy this one because it's pretty well to go for any of these kind of email typed ones. Cool. And we're gonna go ahead and change out the space. And what is this space? Technically, Josh AI is AI for the home. Obviously focused artificial intelligence system for home. The home AI space. Yeah, home AI. All right, super interested in the home AI space after some horrific experiences with Alexa. And how you wound up at Josh AI. Boom, AI. Jack with the party of 6. Welcome, folks. We're doing a world record here. We're doing a speed run for remote tech jobs. We're finding all of them. We're adding them to a list so that Brian can apply to them. So welcome. We set the world record 2 streams ago. You're seeing our back-to-back world record championship going down right now as we add 30 companies to our hit list that we can actually apply to, because we don't click apply here. Clicking apply is the same thing as printing out your resume, lighting it on fire, throwing it in a trash can, and then throwing that trash can in the ocean. It just doesn't work. So we're finding warm leads that we can actually talk to so that we can eventually get referrals into these companies. Boom. Let's go. Number 5. Feeling good. All right. Notice how we're not even applying to any like senior or anything like that. Computer vision powered restaurants. I dig that. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Is there anybody on the team that we can grab? They do have a hiring contact, Scott Warner. Why are all the hiring contacts not have anything listed? If you're a hiring contact, please put your information on AngelList. This is huge. We've seen a lot of folks that we just haven't been able to reach out to. You're losing out on real potential employees. Well, this was dry. It is in Pittsburgh though, so I am very interested. Kitchen awareness and with real-time intervention. That's cool. Our team. We have any links? No. Y'all straight out of CMU, ain't you? Oh yeah, definitely are. This is a CMU team if I ever saw one. All right, let's go ahead and let's get them on LinkedIn. 34 employees. Wow. Design director, computer vision engineer. Cool. You got open message? You open message, bro? You even open message? There we go. Hey, Julian. All right. Looks like you just joined. Did you have open messages? No, that's why we came here. Slipping up, folks. Slipping up. We knew they didn't have open messages. You have an email in your GitHub? Come on, GitHub emails have been coming in clutch for us. Also, respect on the Hugo blog. I like it. How about your resume? Email? Boom. There we go. Love it. Copy. All right, we got it. We got another one down. This is easy. So that's the connect. The company or the role. Here we got the role. Boom. I'm gonna copy the same thing we have here. CMU is a university in Pittsburgh that is known as the best, like it's probably like the best computer science school in the world. It's like CMU and MIT are like when people think of the best computer scientists in the world, they come from those two schools. It's a little scary sometimes. Hey. All right, so it's not Dylan. This is obviously Julian, but it's an email, so we can kind of use the same template. Home engineer, super interested in the this was like computer vision space. And they're relatively new in their career too, like they just started. Computer vision space. Computer vision's like so hot right now. Hey Julian, I was looking at AngelList for exciting remote opportunity companies and came across your profile. I'm an engineer super interested in the computer vision space. After going super deep with Microsoft's what was the name of the platform? Cognitive Services. I'll find something about your, well, I saw that you're new to the space. I saw that you recently graduated, and I would love 5 minutes of your time to learn more about how you locked down your first gig at, what was the name of the company? AGOT. Oh. All right, hey John, I was looking for AngelList for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. I'm an engineer super interested in computer vision space after going super deep with Microsoft's Cognitive Services. I saw that you recently graduated. I would love 5 minutes of your time to learn more about how you locked down your first gig at AGOT. If you have any open time, please let me know. I'll move out to make it boom. I love it. Next. We're on fire, folks. And the vibes are good too, and the music is going good. Let's go. New Breaks, we already saw that one. Lone Snap, we saw them. Sempre Health, nope, that's senior. Ox, we saw. Brain. Mid-level, you know what? We're gonna shoot our shot. Let's see. We'll shoot our shot. Not gonna go for senior, but mid-level's open. And Chris looks dope. Come on, Chris. Open DMs, baby. Nah. Open messages. Nope. The birthday's in April though. Brain technology. Well, that has to be a better way. And they were listed as the contact too, right? It's okay. It's okay. Let's see if we have other people. Just that Chris looked dope. You know what? I like Chris though. I want to get in touch. Grain is the job. Let's put this on the hit list. Let's see if we can find them on Hunter.io. Chris looks like a good person to talk to, and they're the director of engineering anyway. They have pretty good experience. They did do like a boot camp, and that's why I want to talk to them, because yes, they went to RIT, which is a great technology school, but it also looks like they did something with CodePath. Robo, hey, thank you for the 5 months. Hey y'all, hope everyone's doing well. Hope you're doing well too. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for being here. All right. Company is Grain. Let's see the website. Grain Technology. Try Grain is the name of the website. So let's try Hunter.io. Come on, Try Grain. Come on. Oh, it did pop up. Help team at Try Grain. 10 sources. So we do know that their website is trygrain.com. Like they do have emails tied to Trygrain. We don't see any personal ones tied to Trygrain, but I'm going to go on a hunch here that since they are using that as their email and they're a small kind of younger team, not in like age, but in how long they've been around as a company, that we have a really good shot of doing Chris at trygrain.com. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna shoot our shot with that one. And they're in LA. All right, Chris, hope you're doing well. Let's go with that. Chris at trygrain.com. Cool. All right. And I like that they kind of have the same they might have like a similar career path. So we do have an example of that similar path. Hey, there we go. We're just gonna go ahead and grab that. I'm gonna slide down. I'm gonna throw this in our message. I'm just gonna say, hey Chris, just for setting remote companies and came across your profile. Remote companies and came across your profile, so that we have a similar path into tech, and that you were successful in finding a job through. So that you also attended a coding bootcamp. And now our director, a director of engineering. We can confirm that real quick, because I'm pretty sure that that's what they did. Technology. Yep. iOS bootcamp. Boom. I love it. And then they went and worked at Apple. Boy, what a story. I love it. Knox, yeah, with the 10 months. Let's go indeed. Hey, appreciate that. Thank you so much. Cool. All right. Yeah, so they went to a coding boot camp as well. Hey Chris, I was looking at angel for a company, came across your profile. I saw that you attended a coding boot camp, now director of engineering. This email is a lot of blue, but I would love how your time to learn more about your time at what's the name of this company? At Grain. Or just to talk about how amazing, and then do they have anything that we could go off of? Oh, give me something. And they volunteer. We could be friends. Yo, Chris, if you ever see this, we could be friends. I might actually reach out to them, honestly. Not gonna lie. They look pretty dope. But I get along with. And you did an SP? Let's go. I don't see anything really that I could connect with. Did they have their Twitter? They did have their Twitter open. Did they have something funny on there? Not Poet by Nighttime. Or Talk Poetry. There we go. Wait, is Claude here? Is this a different person? They are in LA though. Oh, it might just be a different name. I might go by Chris. It's a little interesting. Let's say Christopher here. We're gonna say Talk Poetry. We'll chalk that up. I knew it. I knew you'd be friends with Chris. Or talk about what is Grain? What space is Grain in? We can just say talk about the space. Talk about the credit space. Yeah. Credit space. Boom. All right. Talk about the credit space. I wasn't doing a speed run. I might find it, spend a few more seconds trying to find something they both talk that we both talk about. But we're doing a speed run, baby. About going fast here. Not about the perfection. All right, let's get to the next one. We're gonna hit 10. Yeah, it did say poetry. Yeah. Tech lead, no. Lead front engineer, no. Website developer, we did Passfolio, we did Nom Nom already. Workable, we did Perio. No, we don't want lead. Software engineer, yeah, it is remote possible. We'll take it. Modernizing logistics with better data. Let's go ahead and grab the post. Let's look at Tyler. CTO is listed, so that's a good sign. Normally CTO is contactable. Come on, Tyler, how you doing? Oh, Tyler, me and Tyler could be friends too. Twitter, open messages. Yo, what's up? Software and music guy, making noise and doing the dad thing in Silicon Valley. Tennessee native, past lives Netflix UI test. Cool, I love it. Let's reach out. Did they tweet about it any day? Had trouble with Coinbase in the past. I like this software music guy. Brian, you're also a fellow music person, right, Brian? I think so. Like, you do some music. So that's our in. We got our open messages. Oh, why am I'm thinking about making friends here for real instead of realizing that this is a speed run. Film person, that's right. Software music guy, make noise and doing the dad thing. And as someone that likes to make noise too. Vision API. Tracking international ocean freight. I actually just found out that there's Brian's a dad. There you go. Also doing the dad thing. I was watching something recently about like how many number of these like containers are just kind of like in the ocean and like run into ships all the time and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So let's see what would be our in here. Yeah. All right. We're going to use the same one we just did. Go back. This is the speed run. Where's our Twitter? There you go. We're going to grab that. I'm gonna throw that at the end. More about vision. What's the name? It was vision with a Z. Hey Tyler. I'm gonna throw that fact out there. Actually, can we Google it? Number of cargo containers in the ocean. How many cargo containers are lost at sea? $10,000 containers a year fall overboard. All right, we're gonna use that. Hey Tyler. We heard an interesting fact that over 10,000 cargo containers are lost at sea each year. With have y'all heard similar? Have y'all experienced? Have y'all seen similar numbers at Vision? I'm a software engineer doing the dad thing and also doing the dad thing. Doing the dad thing plus film. I was gonna say software engineer I'm gonna say I'm a fellow software engineer doing that dad thing. Engineer doing the dad thing. I'd love to try to learn more about vision. If you have time, please let me know. Hey Tyler, I recently heard an interesting fact that over 10,000 car containers are lost at sea, not sea, each year. Have y'all seen similar numbers at Vision? I'm a fellow engineer doing the dad thing. I don't know if I'm just trying to move it. Learn more about what y'all are working on. Boom. All right, next. The y'all makes it more authentic and laid back. I'll take it. So much treasure. I got out to dance to this music. Hey, let's go. I want to get 2 more and then take a break. Well, we got to get 3 more and then break. All right, come on. Come on. All right, so it's Java, so I'm just gonna skip it. Building the best marketing engine for realtors. Interesting. I think that's pretty cool. Well, they got a type form. I'm always down for the type forms. All right, while that loads, I'm just gonna clean this up. Tyler was chill. All that RAM's coming into play tonight, folks. I'm just gonna immediately put this on the list. I feel good about this one. Chris Jones. All right, they got any other people? Just Chris Jones is listed. Let's look at their site. Marketing engine. This looks way too early, actually. Whoopsie. A little ahead of myself. Sometimes I feel good about them and I just kind of jumped the gun a little bit. Labor marketplace for agriculture. Okay. This is a global one too, folks. This is a global remote, so this could be pretty good. Hires in South America as well. Will as a contact. Yo, we gotta make this one work. I don't care. We gotta make this one work. This a lot of people ask like, hey, what if they're hiring remote, but do they hire remote everywhere? This looks like one of them. Will. Got a LinkedIn, open messages on LinkedIn. Come on. Nah, no open messages on LinkedIn. We do have the GitHubs though. The GitHub email rate's been pretty high for us. Look at that GitHub history though. That's sexy. All right, we need to talk to Will. We're gonna use the GitHub's sexy. If we can find their email on Hunter.io, we're going for it. Sesso. Give me the website for Sesso. SessoLabor.com. Well, I'm be on Hunter. Just be on Hunter. That's all I ask. Just be on Hunter. One result. We do see that it's an active email. Let's check out their website. About careers. Let's look at their LinkedIn real quick. Make sure they don't have like an email on LinkedIn. They do have. They are head of engineering though. All right, cool. They're head of engineering. We're going for it. We're going for it. Let's go ahead and say, let's look for sexy in our hit list. sexy. There you go. This is our email. Just gonna grab it. We're gonna come down here. We're gonna shoot our shot with Will at greencesso.com. We do see that their emails, our Cesso labor does work. So we're gonna shoot a shot with that one. Cool. All right, we're gonna say, hey, Will. Companies for exciting remote companies, and came across your profile. And in what space are they in? Food supply chain. We create technology. Yeah, safe employment opportunities for farmers. I'll take that. So let's go back here. I'm really interested in using my skills to improve the lives of others, and went down the rabbit hole in your company. It looks like you're building something really cool. Really cool. I would love having you trying to pick your brain about the space, about the agribusiness space, and it's gonna be time. Oh, all right. Our engineer really interested in to improve lives of others, and love what y'all are doing to help. How do they label it? Farm workers. Farm workers. Farm workers. So we wanted to make sure that it's still tied. Like it was feeling a little too generic, but there we go. Hey, well, I was looking at Angelus for example, company profile. My engineer really interested in using skills to improve lives of others. We love what you're doing with farm workers. Boom. Administrate your brain. All right, love it. Two more. And we take a break. Meter, remote. We don't do a job, we build a career. Horticultural product development team. What? They do have the technical recruiter listed though. I always like that. They are hiring. They're on LinkedIn. And messages are open. This is easy. The technical recruiter. Yeah. I love it. I love it, folks, when technical recruiters have their messages open. This is amazing. All right, here's the job. I feel like we really kind of walked through some easy dubs tonight. I haven't even hit the 5 yet. We can do this in 6 minutes. Great. We can get 2 more in 6. All right, the connection is going to be their open LinkedIn. Oh. Uh-huh. That's the link. Message. Meter group. Systems. Distributed IoT sensing control systems. Crop production industry. Yeah, all right, cool. We can use that. Hi, Carissa. We're gonna do the normal. We don't have to really try hard. Their job is to talk to us, right? I was looking at Angel List for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. I'm an engineer really interested in the IoT plus agriculture space after many failed experiments keeping my plants alive. I understand the need for tech in the larger arena. We're just gonna grab our secondary line. I would love 5 minutes of your time to pick your brain about opportunities at what was the name of the company? Meter, right? Meter. Cool. If you open time, please let me know. I'll move mountains to make it work. Cool. It was called Meter, right? Nice. All right, one more. We take a break. My daughter is eating basil right out of the ground. She's wild. What are you working on? Will, we are speed running getting a job in tech. We are adding 30 warm leads to our hit list. Companies that we can talk to, a real living human that is breathing, that we can get I'm locked in. We are finding real living breathing human beings to talk to at the companies that we want to apply, because clicking apply is the same thing as lighting your resume on fire. It just doesn't work. And so instead of just clicking apply, we find the actual people we can talk to at these companies, set up a coffee chat with them, and then get our application in front of the right person. Monetize more. They got a bunch of open jobs, but that is way too low of a salary. Not even gonna try it. Transforming the automotive aftermarket. I love it. All right, they have a hiring contact listed. Come on, Nicole, make my day. Come on, give me an easy 10 here. You're in LA. Come on. Open messages. Yes. Okay. Okay, open messages. They might still be a consultant there, even though it looks like they're at a different place. They might still be a consultant there. It's still worthwhile to, especially since this was such a new listing. Since this is a new listing, I still think they might be like somebody that might be open to connecting us. Let's see if anybody else is listed first, though, just to double check. Oh, they have a lot of people here. Let's see if there's other people. We're 10 in, blah. We're 10 in. We haven't. We're just over the hour mark. We're 10 in, just over the hour mark, which is a good. It's a good pace. It's a good pace. It's just these 3 people. Oh, they've all moved on. I'm gonna go for Nicole, especially since they have their open messages on LinkedIn. We're gonna go for it. Kind of the same idea, but this is hi Nicole. And what do they do? Thrive and grow. Shop management. Yeah, okay. Make a modern repair facility. All right. Oh, interested in the automotive space. automotive space. Any banging my head against the wall at my last mechanics shop after having a bad experience at my last mechanic. Plenty of bad mechanic mechanic shop experiences. I love how much if you could bring about opportunities at, what was the name, Shopware? No. All right, there we go. I like it. Boom. All right, that's 10. Woo! All right, we hit 10, folks. You know what that is? It's break time. I'm going to get up and do a few stretches. I'm not going to put a timer. I'll put a little timer up here. I think you should all take a 5-minute break. I'm probably going to take a little bit shorter than a 5-minute break. I do need to stretch. Top up my water, but keep it going, folks. Keep it going. We're doing a world speed run here. Be right back. We were promised the YOLO. All right, we'll get a YOLO in. I feel like if I don't wait the 2 minutes to do the YOLO, people will riot. So we'll do a YOLO in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Do we need Ruby on Rails to apply to these? Nah, we'll pick it up. A lot of folks know JavaScript is their main language and pick up a new language on their job. I think, in fact, we brought a few folks to our T-Spill sessions on Fridays that are using completely different stacks than what they interviewed in or that they know. Excuse me. Cordiana, thank you for the hydration. Here's to you. All right, we got a little bit more to do here, folks. We got 20 more we got to get through. I felt like these ones are pretty easy, but it still took a full hour. do a YOLO in a minute 30. I'm gonna keep going. We got a world record to beat here, folks. All right, clean up. All right. Redefining enterprise drone operations. That's cool. They got a contact. Come on, Zach. Be easy for me. Give me a nice comeback. Ah, your CTO though. Do you have any other people? Well, 11 to 50 people though. That's decent size. Let's go ahead and see their website. Air autonomy, simple, scalable, automated. They have their emails listed? No. Careers. Somebody I can send my email to. Front-end developer. They do have a lot of open roles, so we're gonna view. All right, how about look on Hunter.io and see what we got. Nope, we don't have anything. Looks like that's a dry lead. They should definitely put their contact info on here. Grapevine Technologies. Oh, it's a senior. Nope. Full stack developer. Making innovation accessible. Labnetic product. Okay, somebody list it. Let's see all team members. We went to Temple. That's cool. Oh, Trent. Ah, their lead UI UX person was hired via AngelList. All right, come on. Open Twitter DMs. No. Open LinkedIn. No. Portfolio though. Nice. So template. Free code camp. Hey, they did the free code camp certification. I love it. We can talk about that. Resume. Come on, give me your email. What's your email, bro? Check you use. Come on, GitHub might have it. Let's see. Yep, there we go. So GitHub is the spot to get the emails for sure. We'll do the YOLO after we add this person. Let me add the YOLO. We'll do the YOLO as soon as I add this person. Job. Gyroscopic. Or gyroscopic, I guess it's called, right? There's the job. What about this person though? What do we know about them? From free code camp to CTO. That'll be our email. Free code camp to CTO. That's pretty dope. There you go. This one's easy. Hey, Juan. From the profile. I would love 5 minutes of your time to hear, as a fellow engineer, I would love 5 minutes of your time to hear about your journey from free code camp to becoming a CTO. if you have boom. If you ever have every time, please let me know. I'll move on so it can work. Boom. Love it. Nah. Oh, we gotta do a YOLO. We'll do a YOLO. I'm gonna slow down my world record here for a YOLO. I love y'all. All right, here we go. Start a prediction. We're gonna do 50-50. Math.random 1 or 2. Let me set it up. Inspect. Console. Math.random. Times 2. Math.co. All right, you remember this is how it works. You gotta look at the code, make sure it works right. All right, here we go. We're gonna do 1 or 2. Starting the prediction. And got it. All right, prediction is live. You all have 60 seconds to get your YOLO in. Oh, people are actually putting some channel points by the YOLO. It's the only way you're going to get to the OnlyFans before it's not useful anymore. Alrighty, folks. Prediction is live. Got about 30 seconds left before it closes. It's still going. Whoa, almost 300,000 channel points being thrown in tonight, folks. A lot. Woo! Let's go. All right, here we go. Let's do the prediction. Let's just start a prediction. Wait, hold on. It isn't showing me. It's only letting me start a new one. It's not letting me follow the old one. Which is odd because I can see the prediction. It doesn't give me the ability to manage it. Hold on, this is weird. You got. You did get got. I don't see how to. Huh. Community. Normally it gives it to me right here. We might have to do it again. Hold on. Start a prediction. Won't let me. There we go. Up. Sorry, folks. I don't know. It normally it's pretty easy. It just lets me do it. Let's see. Custom rewards, default rewards, community challenges. 1 second and we'll do it again. Maybe I can just do predict. I think I can just do predict in chat. All right. All right, let's try it. Let's run it. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's run it. So the ones won it. Now let's see if I can actually confirm it. It's so weird. Normally it just pops right up. Can even show me, it even shows me, but it doesn't let me confirm it. All right, we're gonna hold it off. The ones have won it. We gotta find how to confirm it. It says start, but doesn't let me confirm a prediction. Hold on. Added. Chat history. If anybody knows the command to confirm it, send it to me. Do y'all have your points still? What's my opinion on watermelon? Nope, you don't have your points. I can't like click on it either. This is weird. Sorry, y'all. I don't know. If anybody can do a quick Google on it, on how I can confirm the prediction, let me know and I'll do it. But right now the ones won. We'll figure out how to confirm it in a bit, but we're on a speed run, baby. Can't slow down because of this. I just lost real time on the world record because of this, all because y'all went into YOLO. I respect the YOLO, but I gotta get back to this speed run. Somebody, I appreciate somebody tells me how to do the command. If you can tell me the command to confirm it, because it doesn't let me. Why does it not let me confirm? It always just lets me confirm it at the top. It doesn't let me do it right now. There is no command. It's only the GUI, yeah, and it's not showing up in the GUI. All right, we're gonna say that the ones have it, but we'll figure out later because we gotta get back to it. Sorry, folks. I don't know what happened. It doesn't let me confirm it. Not sure. Weird. Y'all got. I hope it just gives you back your points after a second. That's not. It's not on me. It's on. Hit up Twitch. I literally can't see a way to do it. All right, we're getting back to it. Gotta get back in the zone. Get back in the zone. Can you delete? No, I don't see a way to do it. All right, come on. We gotta get back into it. We're here for a reason. Stack source, commercial real estate financing online. Yes. Contact. Yes. Open Twitter DMs. No. I hate when people link their company instead of their actual Twitter. The complete prediction does not, like, there's no end submission. I don't have that option. Exotic Bell Escort. Yo, what's going on? All right, their messages are open. They have the hiring. All right, this is a dub. Open messages and the hiring flag. Let's go. All right, Tim. Tim, here is the job ID. Yeah, I tried the slash prediction. It didn't really work. Yeah, it just lets me start a new one. It doesn't actually let me confirm the old one. So it's really weird. It has to be a bug. It has to be a bug. All right, so you do get the points back. Good. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't even show up. It's weird. It's a bug. It's not on me. Well, it is on me, but it's something we're gonna have to figure out later because I don't have the option. It's weird. I haven't seen that before. All right, message Tim. MB, hey, thank you for the 9 months. I appreciate that. Founder stack source. Do we have anything off of their Twitter that we can use? No, because they don't actually link their Twitter. They link their thingy. This is online. Ways. Stack source. Online platform commercial real estate loans. I'm gonna say a commercial lending space. Weird. We don't really have like a way to get in. Kind of generic. Nobody would really like want to work here. Maybe their stack is dope. Yeah, I like their stack. Yeah. There's a Reddit post about this. Oh, interesting. So the other people are experiencing the same thing with the predictions. That's dope. Cool. That makes me feel better. All right, full stack software engineer. All right, we're just gonna shoot our shot. We're wasting too much time on this one. They don't really give us anything. It's all pretty generic. Boom. But their name is Tim. Looking Angels from remote companies and came across your profile. I saw that you had the hiring flag. A hiring flag on LinkedIn. And would love 5 minutes of your time to hear about, learn more about Stack Source. Cool. This one's pretty generic. They didn't really give me anything that I could use across any of their profiles. So we're going with the generic one and moving on. That's not my proudest ad though. Split spot, we already did that one. Rhombus systems, senior no, backend. I did flower. Photon. That seems pretty cool. FinTech. There's somebody we can talk to. Nope. They have other team members. Michael. That's pretty cool. Nope. No way in. I wonder how much that costs. I wonder how much that costs to put yourself in like Times Square on like that corner right there. That's pretty dope. Best knowledge hub for all teams. That's neat. I like the idea of knowledge hubs. Oh, open messages. Let's go. All right, let's grab this job. Boom. The connection is open. Twitter DMs. Let's go, baby. Boom. And let's see if there's anything we can use here. Data format behind our real-time cloud, no open source. The remote writing culture series we have going on. Check out the newest one. All right, I don't really see anything too wild right now. Let's see. Learning and purpose, knowledge base. Yeah, we can just use that as our in. Like my last company did a poor job of managing knowledge. Cool. Boom. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one right here. Come down to the message. What did I just do? I think I did control find. Slipping. All right, here we go. But this will be high. I was looking at angels for sending remote companies to give her profile manager. Really interested in using my skills to improve. Really interested in the knowledge organization space. At my last company, we jumped from wikis to Notion to whatever else we could find and never really got anything to work. So I love what y'all are doing at, what was the name of this space? What was the name of it called? Slab. Boom. I would love 5 minutes of your time to pick your brain about the space. Any open time, please let me know. If you ever have any open time, please let me know. I'll move on to my work. Boom. Love it. Gotta clean up the spelling. From what I can tell, the largest billboard will reach 100K a day. Get out of here. What about 5 seconds? I just want to show up for 5 seconds, take the photo, you know? Start at 5K. What am I trying to do, Pits? I am building a list of companies to apply to. We don't click apply around here. We actually try to find a warm, living, breathing human being to talk to about our application, because just clicking apply is the same thing as letting your resume on fire. So that's what we're doing. We're speed running it. Could you imagine if your phone froze and you paid for the billboard for that pic? I know, right? That'd be my luck. All right, next. Jamming out to the music. It was good. Delphi Digital. Colin is the connect, but no info. View all the team members. Yes, please. Senior software engineer. Oh, nice. Come on. Open. I feel it's definitely gonna have open DMs. Open. Oh. GitHub. Come on. GitHub email. Nice. wickeddeveloper.com. That's funny. Or an helpless student unable to provide for myself, I build in order to overcome aforementioned predicaments. Cool. All right. We have your email. Thank you to the GitHub. The GitHub is always the place to go. I feel like every GitHub we've gone to, we've gotten the email. There's only one that we didn't have an email for. All right, Louise. Here's the job listing. JavaScript developer role, nice. Don't know Vue, but that's okay. We'll get there. All right, what do we know about Louise? I can also say also born helpless nude and unable to provide myself. There you go. Yep, that'll be our subject. Boom. Love it. We're going to use the out of the blue one. Grab that, come back down. Why are my home and end keys not working? Interesting. Losing time here, not be able to jump to the bottom. All right. We have our subject. Hey, Louise. I was looking on Angels for exciting companies, exciting remote companies. Came across the profile. What did their resume look like? Did they go to university? Does not look like they went to university. How about their LinkedIn? They didn't even have a LinkedIn. They didn't say they graduated though. They didn't have like a degree listed. I'm gonna stick with though. It seems like a pretty similar path into tech, and they were starting to find a job through. No, they weren't finding a job through AngelList. Anything else we can use here? I feel like we get to know them a little bit here. It was last year, but that's okay. I really dig their blog posts. Like they're very like I feel like they went to a coding boot camp. This smells like a coding boot camp. Yeah. I'm Brazilian who got lost in Montana. Piracy, decentralized web. Fly fishing, river surfing, practicing yoga. Cool. How do you respond to a recruiter reaching out to you for a more senior role? You respond with you respond by saying, here's exactly what I'm looking for. Fly fishing. Oh, there you go. You can use that. You grew up fishing near there. Missoula. Need the name of that. Cool. Grew up fishing there. Nice. Cool. Maybe we'll put that in the subject. Okay, I was looking at your profile. I know this email is a lot of blue. I would say like oddly enough. Oddly enough, I grew up fishing in Missoula. I have heard of that before. In Missoula. I don't know how to spell it in my life. Missoula. Hey Lisa, looking for angels for work for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. I enough to grow up fishing in Missoula. I know this email is a little out of the blue, but I would love having some time to learn more about your time at, what's the name of their company? Ah shit. What's the name of the company? Delphi Digital. Or to talk about insert random fishing thing. I don't know. You're gonna know about the fishing thing. You're gonna insert your random fishing thing. And that'll work. There you go. 15, halfway point. Let's go. Nope. It's just gonna be a dead end. I just know. Trellis, e-commerce consulting. Front-end engineer, specialized in Shopify. That's interesting. Pretty sure I've met this person before. They do not have open their LinkedIn. Yeah, 28 mutual connections. That's hilarious. I've definitely seen this person before. Chat, is he actually going to apply to these jobs? Yep. Absolutely will be applying to them. If the hiring manager sees it and has a problem, that's their fault, not ours. Numbers game. Can't live life in fear, folks. Do they have another way to contact them? Spark. We already looked at their Twitter. It wasn't open though. I am 100% sure I can get you a contact with this person. So we're gonna put the job listing, and we're gonna try and get in touch with Ross because they are the founder. And I actually think I know this. I think I've definitely met them before. I'm pretty sure I've met them before. If not, I can definitely get you in touch with them. We have 28 connections. Leon connects. Cool. All right, we're halfway through here, folks. Biome analytics. Best practice to every patient. That's pretty cool. Got open messages on LinkedIn? No. Other contact info? Personal website? Maybe an email? Yes, we got an email. That's pretty dope artwork too. Cool. Hitlist. Here's their email. Oop. Let's grab the job posting. Cool. And we can just kind of go up and grab the other email ones that we've done. Where's one of the earlier email ones we did? There you go. Let's get caught up in the music, folks. Let's go back and take a look at their profile real quick. They don't really have anything other than selling their artwork on here, so that's not super helpful. I'm a creative business. My current endeavors. Cool. All right, so they love your. I'm just gonna say love your art in this subject. Subject. We'll definitely open it. Love your art. Oh, we got a lot of folks in LA, huh? That's pretty cool. Wait, you do Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu? I was actually looking for places. 10th Planet HQ. I'll look that up. I was literally looking at places for a while now. 10th Planet downtown. All right, I'll check it out. I was literally looking at a bunch of different places. I'm just waiting for kind of, you know, the pandemic to die down. But yeah, I'm definitely starting soon. Cool. Love your art. Hey. Ragey. Came across your profile. What's the company doing? Well, they're also a principal developer too. Clinical performance. I don't really understand what they do. Are they in the clinical trial space? High impact clinical and financial improvement opportunities across the continuum of care in each specialty. What? All right, they help doctors do shit. That's what they do. I don't know any more than that. I love what you're doing to help improve medical outcomes. We'll go with that. Base. All right, yeah, super generic, but I like it. We're gonna open with their art. We love that. Boom, to open it, we'll get some of their time. I love it. All right, next. Also gotta clean this up a little bit. That one was hard. Let's see. Hey Leon, do you think it's possible to not be talented enough for a big tech job even with hard work? No, I do not believe that. At my core of my being, I believe anyone can learn to code, but coding is not for everyone. You put in the work, I think you can get there, barring kind of traditional learning impairments. Other than that, I think you can get there. Now, do you want to get there is a different idea, different story in general. There are plenty of amazing tech companies that pay really well, have amazing benefits, amazing work-life balance, and aren't as hard to get into as Fang. Somebody selling you a dream on YouTube doesn't mean you have to chase it. All right, we already did Vault before. I'm gonna stand up real quick. Let me give it a little stretch. Cool. Get Krav Maga. That's cool. I really want to do judo. That's like high on my list. Judo. But I haven't been able to find like a good place in LA, so I think jiu-jitsu is what it's going to wind up being. All right, let's look at Skyfort. That one always gets people. You like those throws? I do. That's something I would like to get good at. Skyfort looks good. Have a contact. Come on, open Twitter DMs. We need a good one. Give me an easy one. Kind of make my life easy, could you? Oh, come on. Got a speed run, baby. Messages are open. Nice. There you go. Okay. Skyfort, I see you. Okay. Closing the cybersecurity gap. I love that. All right. Open Twitter, open LinkedIn messages. Easy dub. Here's the connect. Ooh. Here's the connect. And that was our solution from today's stand up. There we go. There's the job. Walking around with earbuds in the kitchen, that was an experience. All right, let's keep pushing. Gotta yeet these gatekeepers. This is a speed run, folks. I'm not paying super high priority chat right now. Or do we have some gatekeepers in chat here? Let's see them. Alrighty, so that was a quick dub. It is the founder. Yeah. Looks like they are hiring, and they are the founder, and they are listed as the contact. So we're just gonna say we're gonna keep it real cash. I feel like Brandon's someone that I could send a casual message to. Hey Brandon, what's up? I'm an engineer, interested in the cyber security space and would love 5 minutes of your time. It's your time to pick your brain about what was it called? Skyfort? Dope name, by the way. I love it. It is called Skyfort. Fucking A. Let's go. Skyfort. Hey, Brandon, I'm interested in the cybersecurity space and would love 5 minutes of your time to pick your brain about Skyfort. If you ever have any open time, please know I'll move mountains to make it work. I feel like they'll answer for sure. Any open time, please let me know. I'll move mouse, make it work. Boom. 18. Come on, let's get an easy, quick 3, and we're gonna take a break. I'm not copying these messages, but it's nice to have text that sounds friendly and casual to draw from. Exactly, yeah. All right, quick 3. Give me a quick 3. Polarity, Ember. You know they're hurting for employees. HR generalists. Nope. Computer vision engineer that actually got hired through AngelList. Wow, maybe you got open something. No open messages. They are at Polarity though. Let's try their LinkedIn. Deployed a UAV under ice in Antarctica. That's pretty cool. They did their master's in machine learning. That's dope. All right, nope, no way into that person, but I'd have a beer with them for sure. Security architect, HR generalist, founder, hacker. Oh, he's pen tester. That's cool. No open messages. What about their CTO? Ed, how you doing, Ed? Nope. All right. I knew this was gonna be a dead end. I don't know why I spent so much time on this one. This is speedrun, baby. I just knew it. As soon as I clicked, I knew it was gonna be a dead end. Shake Pay. Canadians buy Bitcoin in 10 minutes with Shake Pay. That's pretty cool. I like when we find the companies that you just know instantly what they're doing and it doesn't, you don't have to fish for it. I dig that. I appreciate that. Let's see. Oh, open messages. Cool. Shake pay. I like it. We're gonna go with it. Open messages. Next. Job. Oh, they're only Canada? Oh, let's see. It did say remote. Job requires you to relocate. Hires remotely in Canada. We're gonna put them on the list anyway. We might do 31. I use ShakePay. We might reach out anyway. Who knows? Maybe they no, it doesn't say Canada. We're not gonna waste our time. They look cool though. I was excited about that. Automatic mileage and expense tracking. Gabrielle, come on, give me open Twitter DMs. Give me something. Give me something good. They do have their GitHub listed though. Oh, that was their GitHub. Yep, there was their email. Ooh, let's go back. Email. Copy email address. Gabriel, come on. There we go. Let's grab the job. Come on. Oh, wrong one. All right, we're sending an email to Gabriel. Let's see if we can find anything about them. Their GitHub squares are not sexy. They are the CTO. Nothing. Went to Stanford. Cool. Not really seeing anything useful. So we're just gonna go with the space type of way in. Platform for mobile work, starting with the automatic mileage and expense tracking. All right, let's go ahead and use that. We'll find. Bang. Boom. All right, we're gonna go with this kind of like banging my head line. Hey, Gabriel. Cool. Gabriel. Keyboard. While trying to use other expense tracking tools. I was looking for remote opportunities and it came across your profile on AngelList. Seems like Everlane was called, right? Everlane or Everlance. Close to no cigar. I think Everlance could save me could have saved me a lot of headache. I don't know how much you could brain about working at Everlane. Just let me know. All right, cool. Everlance done. Two more before we take a break. Two more in the break. Do you think it's valid to be worried about tech salaries such job availability being in a bubble? Absolutely not. It is the best time to get a job in tech that we have ever seen. I've helped literally 100+ people get a job in the past year, most of which didn't even have to do pretty serious technical interviews, most of which that are getting 80 to 6-figure offers with no other prior technical experience. Where people run into a hard issue is they're just not applying right. They're clicking apply and not getting any responses. And it's not because they're not great engineers, they just don't know how to apply to companies. What we're doing tonight is what you should be doing if you're trying to get a job in tech. Talking to a real living human being is how you get into these companies, not clicking apply. But yeah, I'm not worried. It's the best I've ever seen. I've been doing this for 10 years. Literally the best I've ever seen. Cool. Let's get another one. Come on, two quick ones. Supplements reinvented. This space is heating up for sure. Let's put the front end one on here. Tespo, Director of Engineering. All right, we definitely ought to get in here. Tespo. Aaron, come on, open LinkedIn. Contact info, no. No email. Tespo, we see anything about them? Did they go to university? No. Community college. From community college to Director of Engineering. I like that. We can use that. Hopefully we can get their email. Come on, GitHub, give me an email, baby. Come on. They have their code challenges still listed. That's hilarious. They're a bigger company though, so if we can find the company, there we go. Get Tespo. Come on, Hunter.io. Give me something. Yes. All right, so we do know it's their email. Get Tespo does work. So we are going to do Aaron at Get Tespo, and it'll be our way in. Why do you have an ad of yourself on LinkedIn? I'm always running ads for weird stuff. I don't know if I'm popping up. Am I popping up in ads on LinkedIn right now? Maybe. I don't know. I run so many ads. I've ran $70,000 in Facebook ads in 1 year before. Think about that for a second. $70,000 in just Facebook ads. I used to be really deep in affiliate marketing, but that was a long time ago. That was a different Leon, different time. I used to try and sell zoo books. That was fun. I mean, for longevity though, these people are getting jobs, but what about 5 to 10 years later? Who cares? That's 5 to 10 years later. That's 5 to 10 years of getting paid 6-figure salaries. In those 5 to 10 years, pick up a different skill if you need to. I don't know. The Department of Labor says 2 million, a growth of 2 million jobs over the next 10 years. So you're telling me I'll get paid 6 figures for 10 years and the Department of Labor in the US says a 2 million job growth? I'll take that. If I'm a betting person, and I'm going to take that bet every day. Imagine the credit card points. It was pretty sweet for a while. I maxed that. I was pretty plush with the points. All right, so here, Aaron, they went from community college to, we can kind of use the one we used for Juan. I'm not sure if that's how you say their name. W-U-A-N. There we go. I like this. Just gonna take the same thing. Community college. College to Director of Engineering. Hey, Aaron. Profile as fellow engineer. I love to hear about your journey from community college to becoming a Director of Engineering. Boom. Easy, folks. Easy. One more, we take a break. I could have been doing that, making $8 per hour with no benefits as a cashier. True. Yeah, tech industry was short 1 million engineers in 2020. Yep. Since we're guessing the email, yeah, I would try first name first, and then if not, first name, last name. Just see what you get, if you get a bounce back or not, you know. All right, one more. As a community college guy, this is a great idea for message. Yeah, this one works a lot. That's why looking on LinkedIn real quick just to see their educational background is helpful. I'm always quickly scanning to see if they went to a code boot camp or have a non-traditional background. It's just an easy in. People that come from non-traditional backgrounds hopefully are a little bit more ready to talk about how they made it, you know, or might be interested in talking about how they made it, which gives you an in. Oh, they're like showing ads here. You didn't look at these. I've been skipping those. Maybe there was some good ones there. It makes sense if they're running ads. Maybe this is a trick here. Let's see. If they're running ads. Maybe it's like, maybe they got their shit set up. Yeah, they got their shit set up for sure. Got everybody on here. I don't know if this is an actual. No. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from the ads though. That wasn't as clean as I thought it would be, but remote possible, full stack developer, chief of staff is their contact. You have open messages. Yeah, open messages, dub. Hey, like a cool person talking. Look at that vista. They probably like the hike. There we go. Yeah. Good idea to network with advertised jobs. Probably, yeah. Someone say Vista and Bill Gates pops in. Hey, what's up, Bill Gates? How you doing? We got a lot of folks working on their hit list tonight. I love it. Hope you're enjoying hanging out, getting some wins in here. All right, let's get this question to Steven, and then we're ready to rock and roll for a break here. And yeah, did we find anything else about Steven? Your staff at Enya. Oh, wait. Ethereum with GX. Cool. Cool. So they're just chief of staff. I don't really see anything else. Stanford, Bay Area, the group. I don't really have anything else on their LinkedIn. So we're gonna go just like a generic way in. Catholic leadership. Brian, I don't know if you're religious, but I might lead with that. If you're Catholic, I don't know, Brian, but if you are, I might throw that in your message. Cool. Yeah, we're just gonna go generic here. What do they do? What does Enya do? Engineering team. Ethereum. Okay. We're empowering NFT projects to scale more cost effectively. The Boba network. I know some of these words. Cool. All right, so they're like they're in the Ethereum space. Cool. In the NFT crypto space. All right, we're just gonna sound like a generic, like interested in crypto. Control fine, blue. Copy. There we go. Hey, Steven. Ooh, we can even reuse the S. Shaving seconds off of this speed run, folks. I was looking at AngelList for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. I know this seems a lot of blue, but I would love. I'm just trying to learn more about your time. Your time at Enya. What was it called? How do I spell it? ENYA-AI. Enya AI. Enya.ai. Hey Steven, I was looking at AngelList for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. But I would love to try to learn more about your time at Enya, as I am an engineer super interested in the crypto space. Anonymous, yo. Anonymous, thank you for the 10 gifted subs. I appreciate that. I don't know who you are, but I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the gifted subs. A lot of folks got them in here. Let's see. Nev, Jazzy, Sinra, Princess, Snoop, Skididdy, Taco, AP Thug. Hey, how you doing? Duke and Nick, congrats on those gifted subs. Enjoy the emotes. Thank you so much, Anonymous. I really appreciate that. AP Thug, how you been? It's been a minute. Thank you, Anonymous. I appreciate that. What's a sub for? It gives you, it unlocks like emotes here in the channel and some other fun stuff. You get channel points faster, I think, when you're subbed. But really it's just a way of showing support to the stream. I take all the monies that folks use through, like anything that comes in through the subs or like the bits, I donate that to the nonprofit I work at during the day. So that goes specifically directly into our emergency fund for mental health support. And so all the subs and all that stuff just goes as a donation. We're over $4,000 to Resilient Coders through the subs and the bits and stuff like that. You know, and it really helps because we use those funds for sure. All right, hey Steven, I was looking on AngelList for exciting remote companies and came across your profile. Notice emails a little bit out of blue, but I love having your time to learn more about Enya as an engineer super interested in the crypto space. Also, where is that beautiful spot on your LinkedIn? Boom, there you go. That's it. That's like the LinkedIn background on your LinkedIn background. Boom. All right, that's in 20, baby. Let's go. Vincent, welcome. Glad you decided to stop on by. Oh, what's going on? All right, folks, we are at our break time. We might be able to break the world record tonight, folks. I think this could happen. 95.48, and look at where we're at, folks. With just 10 jobs to go. 10 jobs to go. We're sitting pretty plush, I'm gonna say. If we get a quick 10, it's over. World record demolished, absolutely crushed. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna be a little coy here and take my break. Fearless, we are speed running getting a job in tech. Somebody won a contest where I am finding them 60 companies that they can apply to with a warm lead into that company, like a real living, breathing human being we're going to talk to, instead of letting our resume on fire and clicking the apply button, because that doesn't work when you're trying to get a job in tech. And so far we've gotten them 50 jobs. We got 10 more to go. Let's go. Bugaboo, hey, thank you for the hydration. Cheers to you. Somebody. There you go. Oh, also, if you're new around here, folks, we had a lot of followers today. Let me tell you about what we got coming up on Thursday. A $5,000 Uno tournament sponsored by Hashnode. So if you're brand new around here, definitely make sure you go ahead and type in !Hashnode into chat sign up. We'd love to see you on Thursday and maybe win some cash. Hey, Void, I appreciate that. All right, I'm gonna stretch real quick. We're gonna put the timer up on here just to let you know I'm gonna come back before the 5, but I need to stretch, need to refill my water. We're gonna hit this. I'm feeling the world record, folks. Do you feel it? Because I feel it. A technical recruiter I connected with a year ago just became the in-house recruiter for one of my gold companies. Let's go. That is why we would network indeed. All right, folks, I'm gonna fill my water, stretch real quick, and we're gonna come back. We're gonna power through this last 10, and I'm tasting it. I can feel the world record. We're going for it, folks. In a bit. $80 games of Uno until 4 a.m. Let's go. Just telling Jonathan this today, connect now, you'll never know in the future. Exactly. That's why I really like connecting with folks at like the same, like yeah, you network with folks that are already at it, but making good connection with your peers as you all kind of grow is really, really cool too. All right. We got a solid hour to absolutely demolish this world record attempt, and I am feeling it. I feel like we can hit the world record. We're going for it, folks. 10 more companies, 30 company speed run. You all were here. Where were you when Leon demolished the 30 company speed world record? You were here tonight. Let's go. All right, come on, give me an easy tenner. Yeah, facilitate real estate transactions. That's my jam. Come on, Nicholas, what do you got for me? Nothing. Come on, Transactly. Do you got any other people? CEOs on here. Nice. Employee, and an advisor. Ryan, do you have open Twitter DMs? Would it be that easy, folks? Nah, never that easy. Oh, open LinkedIn messages. Oh. All right, their messages are open. We're gonna go straight to the CEO on this one. It seems like a smaller company, so that's okay. Ryan, we're coming for you. You want to work a transact? Here's the job. Boom. The job. There you go. Our message. Let's see. Do we have like a good LinkedIn one that we've done recently? Yeah, we're just gonna go with the really quick to the point. It's the CEO. We're not gonna try and like make it funny. We're just gonna go straight to the point with this one, unless they had anything on their profile. Real estate is brought entrepreneur, visionary, and visionary in the residential real estate industry. Passion from real estate is bought and sold. Cool. All right. Oh, this playlist goes. All right, you can even keep the B. I love when I can keep the first letter. First two letters, shaving off these seconds because I spelled their name wrong, even with the first two letters. Wow, I really got my head here. How do I deal with recruiters who don't reveal pay range? You get the offer. We always get the offer because we can always use that as leverage in another offer, even if the offer is not great, and it's practice for your interviews anyway. What do you think of location-based pay? Seems pretty odd to me. Hydration. Thank you, Memphis. Appreciate you. Cheers to you. Yeah, but you'd be surprised what you can negotiate. I've had people come to me and say, oh, our max is 60, and they wound up paying 6 figures. So everything's negotiable once you get the offer letter. What about when they push and don't want to give the offer? What do you mean? Like they keep like making you do more interviews? They keep making you do more interviews. There's a point where you just say, knock it off and give me an offer. What do you do about a company that won't proceed without giving them a salary number? I would like to be paid a fair market rate for a developer of my skill set and experience. Say it with me. I would love to be paid fair market rate for a developer of my skill set and experience. Well, Leon, what? Can you just give me a number? I need a number. Bob, I would like to be paid a fair market rate for a developer of my skill set and experience. But you do this all day. You talk to hundreds of engineers. What is that number? What are you seeing as the fair market rate for a developer of my skill set and experience? Well, I need your number. What did you budget for this role? Well, don't worry about what I budgeted. What's your number? Well, no, Bob, you do this all day. What are you seeing as fair market rate? What are you seeing as your budget for this role? All right. See how ridiculous it gets if they don't give you the number first. You got this. Hold to your guns. Don't throw out the first number. Hey Brian, I'm engineer interested in what space was this in? The real estate space. Yeah. Is it realty space or real estate space? Yeah, I was just gonna say real estate space. Real estate space. Another 5 I'm trying to pick your brain about. What's the name of this company? Transactly. Boom. Love it. Super simple, straight to the point. Lets them know that you're an engineer interested in the space. They're the CEO, so they might kick you to somebody else, but that's okay. We'll take it. Let's go ahead and clean up here. Woo, speed run, baby. Let's go. 9 more. I'm feeling this. We're breaking the world record tonight, folks. No way, no how we're not getting this world record. Pipe dream. Developer relations engineers. Runs integration platforms for developers. I love that. Oh, a visual programming environment for APIs. That actually sounds pretty dope. The contact is their founder, which is dope. Open LinkedIn messages. They are a mentor, it says too. No open messages though. What else we got here? They do say they're hiring though. Whoa. What a website. Interesting. Resume probably will have the emails. And there's our email. Nope, don't open. Hate the copy email address. All right, Dylan, we're coming. All right, there's Dylan. Let's grab the job. Developer relations engineer. I like that. That's pretty cool. What do we know about Dylan? Looks good. They are hiring. Product hacker, co-founder at Pipe Dream. It seems like a cool product. Let's look at their website real quick. And I'm actually just interested in the product. I know I'm losing a little time here. Application management, APIs at code level. Oh, you need it. Looks like a nice little business they got going here. All right, that's cool. All right, so how do we reach out? They didn't really have too much for us to latch on to in their LinkedIn. Their website was a little wild. They went to Grinnell. Extension. They were engineers, some other places. Cool. All right, we'll go for direct. No like easy way to get into this person though. Maybe like I'm interested in like writing code that helps developers. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. I like that. Yeah. All right. Like writing code that helps other developers. We're just gonna go with this super simple one again. Nah, it's a little bit deeper here. There we go. I like this. This is our way in. Kind of bagging my head trying to like connect APIs in the past. We do need a subject though. Devoted mentor. I'm just gonna say, is Pipe Dream a pipe dream? Is Pipe Dream really a dream? I don't know, something weird. Did they had an open DM on Twitter? No, wait, how'd you get their Twitter? Contact info. Oh, maybe from the personal website. Let's see. Ooh, no. I don't know how you got to Twitter, but you Googled it. There you go. My eyes. Yeah, we're just gonna go with this email. I like this. This is smooth. Expecting really a dream. Hi Dylan, engineer. Really hit and gets my keyboard. We're trying to connect APIs. Connect APIs in the past. I was looking for remote opportunity to aim across your profile on Angel. It seems like pipe dream could be my dream come true. No, I'm gonna say it could save me a lot of headache. I'll find a tricky brain about working at pipe dream. No. So I'm gonna change this. Is pipe dream a dream come true? All right, I make myself chuckle. Gave me a lot of headache. I don't know, is it headache or headache? Is it save me a lot of headache or is it headaches? I'm not sure. Might need to fix that for a bunch of them. Press up. We connect innovative brains with top-tier journalists to create newsworthy stories. That's pretty cool. I like that. CTO Dustin is the contact. We should probably just skip LinkedIn and go right to GitHub. Yeah. They do have an email. They do have a Twitter. Open DMs? No. About their personal website. Ooh, I like that. And we have their email. Up email address. Beautiful. All right, let's get this on the list. That's our connect. Let's get the job. Full stack engineer. A press hook. Message. I hate Harrow. So if you don't know what Harrow is called Help a Reporter Out. Basically, it's an email list that gets sent out like 30 times a day. And it's just like reporters looking for stories. And so if you like use it, like the first couple days are really cool, and then your just emails flooded with all these emails. But I think if they're in this space, they definitely know what Harrow is, and they would definitely open this email because it's hilarious to see I hate Harrow as a subject. I'm just gonna say, hey Dustin. I'm an engineer and I've definitely banged my head against the keyboard while trying to connect with reporters in the past. Remember time to crush profile on AngelList. We've been spelling AngelList wrong this whole time. Yes, we have. Seems like it was in the company. Press hook. It's actually a pretty cool name too. Could have saved me a lot of headache. I would love 5 minutes of your time to pick your brain about working at Press hook. If you ever have any open types, let me know. But definitely open in this email. Damn it. All right, let's keep moving, folks. Oh yeah, we're breaking the world record tonight, folks. I feel it. Where were you when Leon broke the world record? Social finance platform understanding the needs of independent workers. Oh, cool. Maybe like and the US. Collective financial health of independent workers, providing products designed the way they work and bring them together. Oh, this is like hard to understand what to do. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Like, how she manage your gig economy business. That's actually dope. I like that. It sucks that we need something like this, but I respect it. Yo. 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 This song is fire. This is the one I got hyped to last time. Yeah, some of this stuff is great. Don't forget personal matters. One time back, I did a lot of work translating notes for a guy running a local newspaper. A lot of work he did was regarding drug cartels along the Arizona border, and some of those were basically out of a movie. That's wild. Like fresh book for the gig economy. Yeah, I think that's what it kind of is. But I think there's also like they have like the credit card tied. I've seen some people in the space that like give you guaranteed income. Like as long as you work for a certain number of hours to make sure that your income is more consistent, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah. It's that third gear music gets you up those hills. Exactly. Come on, let's see if we can find a way in here. I think we can no. Nope. All right, well, there goes that. Backend developer video platform flow player. No euros. I just know that's not gonna be a good one. Condone learning. Representation gaps from an engineer. Okay. Posted yesterday. They're using Cypress. Okay. Oh, Cypress. Nope. They got other people on here though. Nope. Doesn't say they're still there though. I do like the New York photo. That's a pretty dope photo spot. All right. I feel like we got like two not so great ones in a row. We deliver groceries to college students in 10 minutes. Sign me up. Let's go. What a mission. Yo, and you're at UCLA. Let's go. Can I get my groceries, please? Nope. Nope. And brother, give me my groceries. I'll take it. All right, we gotta make sure that we're staying away from the duds here. Is that because it looks like it's hard to find a contact? Yeah, it's just like I just know I'm not going to find a contact. I just skip it. We got so many other like wonderful ones that we'll be able to find contacts for that it's just not worth losing the world record to find a company, you know. Not open DMs. What's the name of this bridge? Like the famous one that has like the fork in the road, like the fork in like in Paris, right? What is it called? Cambridge. Wow, open messages on LinkedIn. Come on, give me a dub. They are the senior recruiter though, and the messages are open. What a win! There we go. Senior recruiter and open messages. That's how you do it, folks. That's how you know they're senior. Only senior recruiters have their messages open. You know what they're doing. Thank you. And they're the contact. Dope. They're the contact. All right, let's see if we can find something to talk about. Senior recruiter. Seattle. Vietnamese relations. They speak Vietnamese. Hard language to learn. The language teacher, interesting. They did have a Twitter. See if there's anything on this Twitter. curious about people. Healing is possible for everyone. Self-awareness is the path to answer. Cooking is my meditation. We're using that for sure. Cool. I don't want to throw that in there. This is going to the message on LinkedIn though. I'm just gonna say, hey, oh, yeah, cool. Yeah, we're gonna use that. The cooking is my meditation as well. Gwyn, all right, Town the Gwyn. What was the name of this company again? Smart contracts, but they're in the crypto space. Yeah. Yep. All right. Cool. We'll use that generic. I'm in the crypto. I copy this, go back down. Oh, know this message. So blue, but I left my message trying to learn more about opportunities at maybe the company again. Hero. You know, it's getting a little late when I'm like, I can't remember the company names. I'm losing precious seconds here on the speed run. Angels looking for experiment companies. You came across your profile. I know this message is a little out of the blue, but I would love 5 minutes of your time to learn more about 5 minutes of your time to learn more about opportunities at Hero. As I'm an engineer, super interested in the crypto space. Also, can completely relate to what they said on their Twitter. Cooking. I was gonna say also cooking is definitely a meditation too. Boom, smiley face. Not creepy, it's networking code. Hard to say no to fresh baked cookies. I feel like this is picking up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more jobs, folks. 6 more. Let's do this. Let's get to 25 right here. It's the easy dub. Patch RX by taking prescription medications. All right. Feels good. Gavin. Actually, I think we already did this one. This feels really familiar. I think we already did patch. Or it's really close to something else. Did knack too. Did assembly. Real-time matchmaking for non-toxic gamers. Sign me up. Aaron Wu, let's become friends. eBlitz GG. Open messages. eBlitz. Yeah. Easy dub. Boom. Job listing. Love it. It's like Tinder for gaming. I love it. Such an interesting idea. All right. We're gonna say, hey, their name's Aaron, right? Yeah. Interesting spelling. R-R-O-N. Interesting. Aaron. Hey, Aaron. I'm an engineer and definitely have played, definitely avoided games due to toxic players. I was looking for a remote entry to Game Crush profile on Angelus. Seems like eBlitz just say it is solving a really big problem. A huge problem in the gaming space. Pick your brain about working at eBlitz. Brain about opportunities. They are the CTO and they said hiring, so we're gonna be a little bit more forward. So, all right, Heron, I'm an engineer and I've definitely avoided. Heron, I'm an engineer. I've definitely avoided games due to toxic players. I was looking for opportunities to game crush your profile on Angelus. Seems like eBlitz is solving a huge problem in the gaming space. Well, 5 minutes, you're trying to pick your brain about opportunities at eBlitz. If you ever have any open time, please let me know. I'll move mountains, make it work. Boom! 5 more to go, baby. 5 more to go. All right, I'm gonna take a quick stretch real quick. We got plenty of time on the counter. Plenty of time. We got this. Easy dub. I think we can almost have 2 hours on this. If you want to see me stretching, it's only a million channel points. Get my OnlyFans before it's too late. 5 more. Feeling it myself, folks. What a run. What a run tonight, folks. What a run. All right. 5 more. We can do this. Lock in, folks. Come on, everybody dig deep. I know you're getting a little tired. I know we've been going for 3 hours, but y'all can get 5 more. 5 more. You can do it. 5 more. Add in these next few minutes, add 5 more to your hit list. Get over the hump. Get 5 more for me. You got this. Jimmy, it seems like Twitch is having problems. People are saying that on Reddit, people are posting about it. So I think it's a Twitch issue at the moment. So we'll check it out after stream, but I think it's a Twitch thing. All right, 5 more, folks. 5 more. You got this. Getra. I like that. We easy to use tools for creators to launch your own products, plans, and lifestyle brands. Software engineer, nice. Remote. And they're in a lot of other places too. CEOs to contact. They do a product at Uber. That's cool. No way to contact them though. Other people? CTO? Pan, how you doing? LinkedIn? Maybe open messages on LinkedIn, Pan? No? Did he get to you? No. Good background though. A fan. No way into Pan. Let's see. COO. Open messages. All right, we can do that. We can send them like the generic. Yeah, okay. All right, we got to weigh in. Looks like they're actively hiring. Like, I think this doesn't look too bad. Here's the role. Pietra. Look at their site. Last brain I've always dreamed of. That's pretty cool. I gotta get my merch game up. What do they got for me? Cool. Love it. All right. We're great. Since you're in film, we're gonna play the creative angle. Memphis, hey, cheers. Thank you for the hydration. Cheers to you. Speed interviews today. That's pretty cool. Good luck. Okay. Jaden Levitt. We had like our generic like CEO one. Actually, we'll probably use the banging the head one again, because you can say that as a creative, right? The vibes. Taking this song. All right, so I'm an engineering creative that has definitely seen how hard it is to get a brand going. Brand going. I was looking for remote opportunities and came across your profile on AngelList, which we've been spelling wrong this whole time. Seems like Pietra could have saved me a lot of a headache. I would love 5 minutes of your time to pick your brain about working at Pietra. You ever have any open time? Please let me know. I'll move mouse to make it work. Next, let's go. 4 more, baby. Let's clean up a little bit. We got the time to go to clean up. I want 4 good ones. I want 4 really good ones. Give me 4 good ones. Let me end on a super dub here. Upcode, helping the construction industry cut through red tape. I like that it pulls in the TechCrunch. That's pretty cool. Like, you can see the funding they got a couple months ago. They're flush with cash, looking for engineers. Garrett, you look familiar, Garrett. I know you. You're a Mars helicopter contributor. That's cool. That's dope. No email, no way in. All right, Garrett, I don't see a way in. We're not going to do, it's too small of a company. I don't trust the there are more people. Let's see if there's other people here. Director engineering would be nice. Software engineer upcodes. Lead software engineer worked, no longer there. Founder. Okay, let's look at Jonathan. CMU. Okay. Techstars. Okay. Into golf. They do have their email listed. Okay, JS Wilson at JS Wilson Co. Cool. At what's the name of it? JS Wilson Co. Cut that out. There we go. All right. Now, previously founder of Spoken. Okay, so they were a founder. Now they're at Upcodes. And they got their BS from CMU. Anything else other than that? I might just kind of, we're gonna go like the founder, like the how did you make it to Techstars? I am also a Techstars alum, but that might be our way in. Techstars 2016, now they're at Upcodes. JS Wilson. What does Upcodes do? Let's see. Approval. Actually, I don't like that you're like a founding member of the team. They have no other engineers on the team. I know this, we spent a lot of time on this one and we found somebody that's like an actual lead, but I don't feel comfortable with that one. And we got plenty of time for the world record. I want 4 good ones. I don't want kind of ones. I want good ones. Data science for all. I can get behind that. Justin Lintz, lead engineer. Warren, right? Open messages? No. And they're at a different company now. So we'll go next one. Containerized data pipelines. That's cool. Oh, Pachyderm, right? Yeah, nice. At a talent acquisition. Tony, how you doing? Open Twitter DMs? I really thought you would have had open Twitter DM. Crappy soccer player. Cool. Open messages. There we go. Had a talent acquisition. All right, Tony. That's much better. That feels good. Jobs that don't have other engineers, why are those red flags? Because if it's your first role as an engineer, you're gonna be figuring out a lot of stuff on your own, and you're not gonna really grow that much. And so for your first role, it's okay if it's a small team. Like if they have a few engineers, that's great. But if you're literally the only other engineer, that's a lot of stress, and you're not gonna pick up as many good practices because you're gonna be kind of figuring out everything on your own. So it's not that it's bad, it's just a different type of role. One of those contacts just got back to me. I think they were upset they found their personally going to inquire about the company. Hey, we shoot our shots. Doesn't always work out. Tony. 21 years of experience. All right, so what does this company do? Pachyderm. For front end for enterprise products, for software. Product. Tony, you have open, so we can reach out this way. We're gonna hit them with the we're a crappy soccer player as well. Hey Tony. I'm a fellow crappy soccer player. fellow crappy soccer player looking for remote opportunities. Hey Tony, I'm an engineer and fellow crappy soccer player looking for opportunities. Look at profile on Angelus. Seems like I'm a big fan of, this is a developer tool, right? Pachyderm. Big fan of Pachyderm and love companies that are open source at their core. Open time. Do you ever have any open time? I'm gonna say I would love how much time to pick your brain about working at Pachyderm. Your brain about working at Pachyderm. There you go. Hey Tony, I'm an engineer and fellow crappy soccer player looking for remote opportunities that came across your profile on Angelus. I'm a big fan of Pachyderm and love companies that are open source at their core. I would love 5 minutes of your time to pick your brain about working at Pachyderm. If you ever have any open time, please let me know. I'll move them out. Let's make it work. Boom. I like that. Can you apply on the Angelus instead? What a burn. How dare you talk to me about working at this company that we have an open role for? Apply on Angelus like the rest of the scrubs. Smart cosmetic procedure decisions start here. Connect with top doctors and get the real story. Okay. Real self. Kelly Linkus. Nope. Do we have any other people that are here? No, this feels weird. Next. Sleeper, connecting people over sports. Oh, senior. Expression. Nope. Full contact, empower connection between people and brands. I like Outdoorly better. Outdoorly is building the future of online commerce. Remote possible. Let's go. They're experts, turn back soon. Incredible kind of. I agree. Okay. All right, Adriana, do you have open messages on LinkedIn, please? No. All right, do you have any other people listed? No, it's not the person they had listed. Oh, the founder. Okay, let's see. LinkedIn. Open messages. Nice. Okay. Outdoorly. I like it. That's our connect. Let's grab the job. Nice. Do we have anything that we can go off of based on their LinkedIn? Nothing really on here. Kiva. All right. Connect it to them through somebody else. They have a Twitter listed? No. All right, let's just send the little bit more of a generic one. Got Dorley. such a good idea, actually. I actually really like this idea. I'm a gearhead for sure, and I would love to like figure out how they do it, like how they find people to share their gear. I'm always looking at people's like gear lists and stuff like that. I think it's a pretty cool space. All right. Ryan, are you into like outdoorsy stuff? Let's just go with the generic. Yeah, cool. Are you a gearhead? You're moving to I'm moving to Portland. Yeah, it's kind of, kind of comes with the territory. It's really outdoors. All right, we're gonna say, hey Theo, an engineer and gearhead that loves what you are doing with outdoorsy. It sounds very familiar. Like the name is like being used by somebody else. Is it outdoorsy? Is the one I'm thinking of? Outdoorly. I think I'm an engineer and gearhead that loves what you're doing with outdoorly. I would love 5 minutes of your time. Just going straight to the point. I already know you're a gearhead. Outdoorly. I would love 5 minutes of your time to pick your brain about open roles at outdoorly. If you ever have any time open, please let me know. I'll move on to make it work. Hey, I'm an engineer and gearhead that loves what you're doing with outdoorly. I love 5 minutes of your time to pick your brain about open roles at outdoorly. If you ever have any open time, please let me know. I'll move mountains to make it work. Boom. Is there an indoorly? All right, 2 more, baby. Oh, we hit the end of the playlist. I think we hit the end of the playlist, my friends. All right, the end of that playlist though is straight fire. So we're going. I wish I would have looked at the one. That was like, oh, that was a good one. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. That's it. There we go. Get some polka. 2 more, baby. Feel it. You got this. Dig deep. Get 2 more on your list for me, please. Don't. The world's leading career advancement platform. All right. Only remote in Canada. One of those again. Expert depression anxiety treatment. That's cool. Full stack developer, full stack engineer. Farm tech startup showing how parents access fam tech. I read this as farm tech startup disrupting how parents access education for their children. I was like, what? Fam tech. I like that. I never heard that before. This is Harris Heller's Dream Beats, the 100 Thieves edition, though. Pineapple. All right, we got any way in? Andrew. Nice lawyer. Open DMs. Let's go. All right. Boom. And the job. Listing these out, all 30, really helped with my time. This is like expert moves here. Excuse me. All right. Head of mobile, rent the runway. Oh, they're at rent the runway. That's pretty cool. CTO, lawyer, company. One of the hottest clothes. Oh, they're really into like cool NFTs. That's what this is. That's pretty cool. I'm just interested in that space. That's the qual that they got, probably kind of like the crypto punks. You do have kids, so maybe that's the way in here. Out of school enrichment solution for modern parents. Yeah. All right, we're just going to use that. "31 folks have gotten jobs so far." 82, 31. Drug testing is part of the hiring process and it's remote. Get out of here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at we're just gonna send them a Twitter DM so we can be a little bit their name was Andrew, or they go by Drew probably. Hey Drew, I'm an engineer and dad who totally gets how lacking the what did they say, out of classroom enrichment or something like that. Enrichment activities. There we go. Cool. Hey, you're an engineer and dad who totally gets how hard it is to find enrichment activities for my little ones. For my little ones. For my little ones. I'm gonna use the open lines. The left arm to bring about open roles at what was the name of the company? Sawyer. S-A-W-E-R. S-A-W-Y-E-R. Was it Sawyer? Yeah. Yeah. All right, there we go. Hey, Drew, an engineer and dad totally gets the hardest to find enrichment activities for my little ones. Oh, for my little ones. For my little ones. I would love 510 to pick your brain about open roles at Sawyer. If you ever have any open time, no, I'll move out to make it work. Boom. All right. I think I need to do this in the Google Doc like you did on Moving Too Slow. Yeah, the Google Doc really speeded it up for me. If you know you're gonna sit down and do 30 applications like we just did right now, 30 warm connections. We got one more to go, folks. The Google Doc definitely sped up my workflow for sure. Do you use Proton Mail? I know of Proton Mail. I've used many email providers. One of them has been Proton Mail in the past. Do I currently use it? I don't know. OPSEC. One more, baby. All right. Oh, we're good. We got this. If I go really fast, we can do a full hour off. All right, come on. Let's see if I can get one real quick. Give me 2 minutes. Oh, give me a quick one. Come on, give me a quick one. I didn't even think about this. JavaScript full stack engineer. Training and comms. All right. No, it's too hard for me to figure out what it is. Vintage. Cool. Come on. Isabel, give me an easy win. I just need to weigh in. Open DMs. Yes, we can do this. All right, hold on. We can do this. This just got real, folks. I might be able to shave a full hour off. All right. Busy app. Company. Full stack engineer. Yeah, we're doing this. All right. Oh. Let's look at their poet. Fanfic always. Cool. They are product manager. They're a product manager. Cool. All right, we got this. Got it. Okay. What was their Isabel? And I'm an engineer and fellow fanfic nerd. I would love having time to pick your brain about working at, what was the name of the company? Thrilling. Hey, so I'm an engineer and fellow fanfic nerd. I would love 5 minutes of your time to pick your brain about working at Thrilling. And please let me know. I'll move out to make it work. Oh, you're a huge thrift store nerd. All right, there we go. And huge thrift store nerd. I'll have your time to know, pick your brain, working Thrilling. Boom. All right, cool. Here we go, folks. You saw it live. We're pausing. That is a full hour off the world record time, folks, with seconds to spare. 8 seconds to spare, folks. We just beat the 30 company hit list world record by a solid hour with seconds to spare, folks. History in the making. Where were you? Where were you when we shaved a full hour off of the world record? That feels good, folks. I'm not gonna lie, that feels real good. A full hour. Who does that? Live. You were here. You saw it happen. Alrighty, folks. That feels good. I'm feeling myself right now. A full hour. And I saw it too. I saw it happen. I was like, you know what? We're close. We're almost there. We go get. Exactly. You've witnessed history. I'm still emailing the GitHub a sexy one. Alrighty, folks. We're way over our normal time, but let's go ahead and end with a lovely raid. Rav is live. Let's go back and send them some love. Before we do our lovely raid, though, Thursday, $5,000 Uno tournament. Exclamation point hash note in chat. If you haven't joined us yet, I hope you'll join us on Thursday. We won't be live on Twitch. We'll be playing Uno for $5,000, sponsored by Hashnode. Thank you, Leon. I got all sorts of material. Now, that was the goal. I'm so happy to hear that. Hopefully you can use all the things we talked about. You saw my method in literally just over 3 hours, right? Just over 3 hours. We would add 30 companies to our hit list. You could possibly do, if you just took 7 to 8 hours, you could sit down and build out 60 companies for your hit list that are warm leads in, that'll get you connections, that'll get you talking to people, that will get you in the long run a job. You saw the world record here tonight, first, folks. Let's go ahead and end with a lovely raid. And I will see you all on Thursday to put $5,000 on the line. Alrighty, folks, let's go get some channel points. Let's spread some love. If you haven't given Rav a follow, go ahead and give them a follow. They do so much for our community. They help us out so much on Discord. I'll see y'all over there, folks. Have a wonderful rest of your night. It was so great hanging out with you all, listening to some good music, building out our hit list. I'm excited to play Uno with y'all on Thursday. Peace, everybody. Have a good night.